Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to program a key fob for your 2008 Chrysler Town and Country. This specific method is the only way to self-program a new fob without needing special dealer equipment. You will need at least one existing, working key to begin this simple process. Ensure your new key fob has a fresh battery for optimal performance. This procedure takes just a few minutes to complete. First, insert your already programmed key into the ignition. Turn it to the on position, then quickly back to OFF. Remove that key. Next, within 10 seconds, insert the new, unprogrammed key into the ignition. Turn this new key to the on position. This sequence prepares your vehicle system to accept the new key fob signal. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. You know, like a key fob that doesn't work, cheap socks are just a hassle. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're truly amazing. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With the new key in the on position, press the unlock button on the new key fob. You should hear a chime confirming successful programming. If you have more new key fobs to program, repeat the last step for each one within 10 seconds of the previous chime. Test all fobs to ensure they function correctly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.